Hazrat Urwa narrates that he has heard Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha say, when the news of the martyrdom of Hazrat ibn Haritha, Hazrat Jafar bin Abu Talib, and Hazrat Abdullah bin Rawaha radiallahu anhum came, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam sat down, whereas the signs of his gloom were clearly perceptible. She says, I was watching this scene through the slit of the door. So a man came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Jafar's women are wailing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to stop them from wailing. So that man went and came back to say that he forbade them, but they did not obey him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again passed the same orders. So he again went there and then came back to say, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, they have humbled us. I thought Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to him, go and stuff their mouths with dust. Whereupon Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha says that she said to him, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu make your nose dusty. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you neither enjoy the authority to stop them nor leave to tease the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4263.